The OPT Genesis program is a personal growth program that is a week-to-week process that helps someone understand who they are, how they got to who they are, and what obstacles are preventing them to becoming the person they want to be or living the life they want. From emotional obstacles, psychological obstacles, physical obstacles, traumas that have affected who they are, their outlook on life. The program helps someone gain clarity on why they are the way that they are, and if there's obstacles preventing them from pursuing a career, a relationship, having a difficult conversation, creating boundaries. If someone is having difficulty with stress, anxiety, worry, paranoia, depression, addiction, what are the reasons behind these things? How to address them, how to solve them, and how to implement the changes into a person's life that are sustainable, healthy, reliable, and transformative.